Magandang araw! Welcome back! In our last lesson, we focused on basic pronunciation. Today, we'll learn where to place adjectives in a sentence. This is an important part of learning how to build sentences in Tagalog. In English, the adjective usually comes before the noun, like in a tall building or a sweet mango. In Tagalog, there are two main ways to connect an adjective to a noun. First, the na connector. When the word before the noun ends in a consonant, we use na. Adjective plus na plus noun. Let's look at some examples. Mabait na bata. Mabait na bata. Kind child. Matamis na mangga. Matamis na mangga. Sweet mango. Second, the noun connector. When the word before the noun ends in a vowel, we add nang to the end. Adjective plus nang plus noun. Examples: magandang babae. Beautiful woman. Matabang pusa. Fat cat. Malaking bahay. Big house. Note: people often use na even with words that end in a vowel. For example, maganda na babae. Mataba na pusa. Malaki na bahay. Both usage are correct. The inverted order. In Filipino, sometimes you'll hear the noun first, followed by the adjective. When this happens, the na or nang is added to the end of the noun. This structure is also very common in conversation. Noun plus nang or na plus adjective. Examples: batang maliit. Batang maliit, which means small child. Bahay na malaki. Bahay na malaki. Bahay means house. Malaki means big. Lalaking matangkad. Lalaki means man. Matangkad means tall. So in these examples, the nouns came first before the adjective. Take note, malaking bahay and bahay na malaki are grammatically correct and widely used. Let's practice. Masarap means delicious. Pagkain means food. Masarap na pagkain. Masarap na pagkain. Or, pagkain na masarap. Or, pagkaing masarap. Note here that even though pagkain ends in a consonant, you can still use nang. However, instead of spelling it as double N, you only add G, since the last letter of the word is already letter N. Black dog. Maitim plus aso. Maitim na aso, or aso na maitim, or asong maitim. Mainit and tubig. Mainit na tubig. Or tubig na mainit. Again here, you cannot use the ng connector since both mainit and tubig ends in a consonant. Mataba plus aso. Fat dog. Matabang aso. Or mataba na aso. Or asong mataba. Or aso na mataba. Good job! Just remember, adjective may come before or after the noun, and you can use na or nang to connect them. Thanks for joining. For more lessons and practice, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you!